Hey guys, this is week 2 of that new construction project, and we're actually on the foundation phase of this project. Now, what is a foundation? Well, since we're building a new construction, we have to basically start with the foundation before we can start building up. Let me show you what's going on here. So over here, as you guys could see, we were marked, this red marks here that you see is so that machine could make the holes for the foundation. So all these red marks that we had to prep before is to dig the holes. So now you'll see all the marks everywhere. Now let me show you something. Let me show you what this guys are doing over here. This is basically the footing, the hole for the footing. What's going to happen is that this guy is going to make that hole everywhere that you see, and then the structure guy is gonna be putting the rebar in the concrete. That's part of the foundation. Now, very, very important. Before this happened, a lot of things had to happen before. You see, a lot of people just look at it and they're like, okay, things are going on. But they don't understand that there's a lot of planning into this detail. For instance, what we had to do here before this stuff can even be marked, is we had to call the surveyor out here. And the surveyor, what he does is he comes to the job site and he marks the 4 points of the property. Let me show you where those points are really quick. So over here, you're gonna see right outside the property line, there's a stick with a red mark. If you get closer, you'll see it. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this training. We have put together a bunch of free resources for you guys at the description below. Don't forget to watch it after the training. Now, let's get back to it. Right over there, there's a stick with a little red mark. If you walk around the property, you're gonna see one over there, you're gonna see one in that corner, you're gonna see one in that corner. What is that for? That stick with the little red mark that was done by the surveyor is basically showing where the property line of this property is, because there's setbacks that we have to respect. So the surveyor marks those points. Then the structure guy comes and he measures with a laser. You can see here, this is a laser to be able to mark elevations. So he marks us with a laser exactly to the T where the footings have to be. If you skip that step and you start building the foundation just 1 foot off, guess what? When the city comes and inspects the property, you may have to redo it all over again. That's why this step is so important to do it and to get it right. So now that we did the points of the property, now that the guy marked the props, now we can dig the holes and then we can start the foundation. So this is the foundation phase, and I'll see you guys next week because we can't stop, we won't stop. Let's go.